with the baker, we are making horse treats for Annie and baby. Horse treats for my baby, but it's also for Annie too. But all other horses are that's very important too. Annie does loves horse treats, but you know what? Annie does is going to like them. Because we just made them for Annie and for the day. And then her does they how I like it like the real thing like Annie. Baby is my very close friend. Who's still have plugs looks? I got all of it. And that's it. Voila. Roll, 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 la, roll, la, lolly, dooley, lolly, looty, looty, loose. Roll, 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 jumpy down the tree. Merry, 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 paper ball a dream. Next, half flower. Now let's have this.
Flaxseed.
Yes. Those are black beans. It's very tricky.
Why is it so tricky?
Because it's really low and I can't get it. Let's try to miss her. One half the water. I got the water, Mom.
Good job.
See, I got the water on my feet.
You did a good job. Now stir it all up.
I got the water on my feet.
Mm-hmm.
Don't mix you into the pan. Stick a hook in the middle when it's hot. Let it go and beat it to a baby push.
Yeah.
Now my favorite pony is Baby Bean,
Hey.
but it is mine. But yours is Annie, and mine is Baby Bean. Thank you for watching. Happy baking and Merry Christmas. And Mrs. Dory gave it to a horse. My favorite horse is That's my friend horse.